Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and welcome to sunny, hot Yuma, Arizona. It's been in the 90s all week. You know, it doesn't get up this high up in Seattle during the summer, and so, it's an adjustment, plus, I'm just feeling kind of. We got our boosters the other day and didn't really have any reactions to that. I mean, just a little sore here, but I don't know. This is one of those down days for me. This is Saturday, the 6th. I don't know when you'll be seeing this, but we went down last night and went down to the waterfront, which is where most of the people are at who are snowbirds, because up here where we're at, there isn't anybody, just us sitting here, and all around us are annuals, which sometimes come over on the weekends, but nobody did this weekend, so it's just Bob and I. So, I hesitated going down there, because I didn't know if they'd, if we'd be imposing or what, and they all seemed happy to see us, but I've gotten to the point where I feel like people are fake. At least when it comes to me, they're fake. What can I say? I try to be so nice to people and pleasant and stuff, and it's like, Anyway, today, after 2 o'clock, because we have to wait till 2 o'clock before we can go get our mail, I have 2 packages, so I'm going to share them with you. Maybe that'll help pick me up. But you know what made it worse? Made me feel worse? I ate a ton of candy. I don't know if you remember all the candy that was there when I did that video with our grandson Cameron. Well, there was a lot left over, and I've been getting all kinds of other crap, and I don't want to throw it out. I cannot throw out sweets. I'm sorry. I just got to eat them. So I must have eaten about 20 pieces just right before this, so I'm feeling. But we got to get rid of the stuff that's just about gone so that we can get back to our eating healthier. We've got 2 months till our trip, and I want to lose the weight I gained on the way down, which is so. Cough's just about gone though. I think once I get out of California, it's like, okay, lungs, we're out of California. Get into the Yuma breathing. You mind if I leave that air on? It's just too hot without it on. If it's too much, I'll turn it off in the next videos. But anyway, getting ready to post after I finish it. My video from when we got here, what's happened, and all that stuff, showing you our spot, and our quick little inside of the motorhome and that kind of stuff. Still haven't found everything. I must have just left it at home what I'm looking for, which was stuff that was supposed to go on there. That was Thanksgiving. Who knows? With me. It's, you get to this age where you forget so many things. As well as people forget you. Just, I can think of something one minute and the next minute forget it, God. Well, let's get started. See, I forgot I was here to do something. What I'm showing and sharing with you today is my first box from Eyescream Beauty. I watched a few people do their videos on it, and I thought, well, that's worth a try. As you may have guessed, I have signed up for several new boxes of goodies, and I've canceled some of my old stuff. So this is one of the new ones. Oh, wow. This is October Beauty Tricks and Treats. Careful, I can't let this stuff fly around, or you'll be stashing it somewhere. So this just lists what's in the box and how much it costs. That helps. Let's see. It's probably pretty close to what everybody else got. First off is an Ace Beauty, I think it's pronounced Paradise Fallen. Look at that. Oh, it's in a box. I was going to try to slide it out. You put on the fake smiles when you're not feeling depressed. I know a lot of you know what I mean. That's why I feel I can freely talk about it. Because so many of you have admitted that you suffer from depression. Come on, come out. There we go. All I just do is say it that way and it opened up. You know another reason why I get depressed this time of year? Just a little over a week ago was my dad's birthday, you know, and he just died a year and a half ago. And with the holidays coming up, that's when, if you don't have your parents anymore, that's when you really, really miss them. And you think back to when you were kids and how they tried so hard to give you a nice Christmas. And back then, most people were fairly poor. So the parents would work so hard to have nice Christmases, and we did. I had no complaints. So now's the time when I think about my parents more. And this will be Bob's first full year of not having his dad. His dad died last Christmas Day. Anyway, this is beautiful. Look at that. Can you see it? Look at those colors. Oh my God. Who would like that? You know it's going to be a giveaway because I don't wear eye makeup anymore. Ooh, well, let's see what they say about it. The palette is $35. They just say what it's called, an Ace Beauty Paradise Fallen palette. I'm following at my break. Then we have, this is a Crown Studio Glam Shadow Stick in pearly white. Let's see, that costs $9. Giveaway. Then we have a Mirabella eye. Well, I guess it would be eye stuff. It's Eyescream, E-Y-E-S-C-R-E. An eye crayon in semi-sweet eye crayon. No directions. Oh, the directions? Nope, just all the ingredients. So, another giveaway, and this price is $20. Probably a good thing I did put an eye makeup. It's really expensive now. And then there is this Docular, what is it? Dough Color Rose Gold Brush Set. Retails for $16. My parts don't work anymore. What a pity party I'm on. Maybe my next box I'm gonna open it. Yeah, see? Brushes. So this whole box. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh, this one I might keep. I think this might have been why I ordered it. It's a Bella Pierre Cosmetics 12 Color Pro Matte Lip Palette. I do put colors on my lips. Not all the time. Only when I'm faking it. Doing these videos. Come on, how do you open it? Can't open it with my fingernail. Whoops, I'll open that way. this is $50. It's got a little brush, but look at those colors. Lots of pretty colors. The little brush, it's got a tip on each side. What should I try on? The blue to match my top. Whoops, whoops, I dropped it. I've never put blue on my lips. Probably look weird with the color I already have on. Oh, here's an old song my mom used to sing. Am I blue? This takes a while to put on, doesn't it? I should walk out there near Bob, not say anything, just sit down and... What's on your lips? What? Nothing's on my lips. It's hard to see. And I'm doing this very well because of my lack of eyesight. Of course, if I was to wear any of these seriously outside or anywhere, I'd put some shiny. Some shiny stuff on it, because I'm not a real big fan of matte finish. But so, let's see. So that's why I bought this. Was to get this. So, what y'all think? I'll put down what I paid for it in the editing. So, comment below. See, my thumbs even got blue in it. Share, like, subscribe. And I'm sorry I put you through a Bevy's pity party. I do love you all. That's why it bothers me. Bye.